Hi guys, Paul here from Pilgrim MotorSports and Muscle Car UK. Look at this beautiful 65. Here we got this beautiful blue colour. It really, you feel like you can sink into it. It's absolutely gorgeous. The paint work on this car is exceptional. That's the only way I'm going to describe it, because it is that good. I mean, it really does, this blue really does pick up the chrome. You've got the chrome around the side of the wheel. You've got the big black wheel in the side. Just really does look stunning. You can see the GT stripes going along the bottom of the door. You can also tell a good paint job, because underneath the seal here is just as clean as the top of it. So what you do tend to find is sometimes people will paint a car beautifully, but they miss the bits, and then under here is where they miss it. But that is really done superbly. If you have a quick look inside the door shuts here, you'll also see how beautiful it's all been finished. You note, no overspray, all new rubbers, just as it should be. Great finish, really top quality paint. And all in the door shuts here. You know, you're not embarrassed, you undo the door. It's absolutely stunning. It's the same finish, same smoothness as literally the side of the car. It really is beautiful. I mean, again, the pillarless coupe looks absolutely stunning, of course. All new chrome, all new glass in this car. All new interior, dashboard, carpets, everything's brand new. It's all been done. And you can just see, it's just stunning cars. You come through to the back. What they've done at the back of this car is what the Shelby had, was they always had a black panel. That's a giveaway. Black panel, it's more like a Shelby, or Shelby in disguise. So they put the black running through this. So you've got the darker tinted windows, you've got the black wheels, you've got the chrome. Also notice down here on the exhaust pipes here, they exit through the rear valance. This was a GT style, and you can see one coming through here, one coming through there, and you've got the reverse lights as well in that back panel. But again, beautifully finished, the chrome outstanding. Really is a fabulous car all around this. Under the bonnet, you've got a 289 engine here, one of the very early ones, because this car is actually a 64.5. It's an F code, very rare. It's the first 6 months of production was in 64, although they're all registered 65. So this has got the original engine in it. It's been rebuilt, of course, and it had a few little extras added to it, but beautifully finished. Got the lovely chrome rocker covers and the Cobra air filter, but it really is stunning. All inside the engine compartment is correct, power steering, power drum brakes, which really are superb. But this is a real rare car, and one that we're really proud to present to you. And it really is lovely all the way throughout. Engine sweet, sounds gorgeous through those exhaust pipes. Beautiful car, definitely worth coming to have a look at. You can see underneath here, I mean, the finish is superb. If that was the top of the bonnet, you'd be delighted. This is the underneath. It's that good. Show quality car. Take this to any show. You'll be very proud to undo that bonnet and show everyone what's in there. So come and have a look at the car, come and have a drive of it, see if you like it. I'm sure you will. See you soon.
Lovely early 289 coupe has been restored to a really high standard. It was actually restored by a father and son who ran a restoration company in the States. It's a stunning paint job. All the chrome trim has been renewed. The whole interior has been renewed. Even the glass is brand new. And like all the Mustangs, it sounds great.